Hello everybody. So I got myself some new tyres I'm quite excited about. So I purchased a TechX Flow Smart turbo trainer, and I whacked my bike on it the other day and there was just too much resistance really on the tyres, so I figured grab myself some new tyres, a bit skinnier, so be good to ride on the road with them as well, get a bit of speed up, but I don't want to go and get all the punches that Roxanne's had, so I've decided to go for these Victoria graphene Rubino things. Just put my rubbish in the bin. This is what they are, and it says it's graphene. So basically these, it says that Victoria tyres are now intelligent. ITS compounds become harder and softer depending on the needs of the rider. If the tyre is rolling straight and the rubber is at its hardest, it will offer low rolling resistance. If the rider brakes, accelerates or corners, the compounds soften and offer significantly more grip. So it says no compromise. See? No compromise. So the idea is that this is 200 times stronger than steel per the thickness, and has 10% energy reduction. So I'm really excited about this. I'm hoping I get no punches. So for some of you that are new to riding, there's two things to look at when you get inner tubes tyres. So for instance, on your inner tubes, this is a Halfords tube, just a standard essentials one. You see it says the big 700 there. That is your wheel diameter, okay? This doesn't change. It's the same unless you get new wheels, but this doesn't change. So the thing that may change is your width here. So it says 23 to 32C. Now that is, sorry you can't see me, that is a range. So for instance, with these tyres, they are a 700 by 25, where are you? Okay, your tyres won't change either. So for instance, you can have a 700 by 25, you could have a 700 by 30, they'll be either 25 or 30. There won't be a 25 to 30, there'll be a 25 or 30, okay? It's your tubes that have the range, okay? Now these tubes I buy because obviously I've got the 28mm diameter tyres and the 25s now, so these are going to be universal whatever tyre I have on. So if I want to swap to my hybrids because it's a bit wetter and I don't really want to have these skinny tyres on the road, we'll see how they go anyway, but I won't have to change my tubes. So I did a video with you guys last week about changing your inner tubes. It was quite long obviously because I was talking through everything as I was going. This time hopefully I'll be a bit quicker because you all listened the first time. So I've got my tyre levers. I use the glass fibre ones because they don't cause any damage to my rim of my wheel, and these are just £3 at Halfords. So remember last time in the video I showed you to obviously take down your gear chain into the smallest cog, so I'm going to do that now. it off one side, so as you can see, one side is completely open. Now, if you sort of shake the wheel into the middle there, oh, I can't really, okay, here we go. So the other side that's still attached, if you move that into the centre all the way around, then that will give that part of the tyre a little bit of give, and then you want to go over the same side that you've just taken off the other side, okay? So you'll go off one side. Yep, that makes sense. So here we go. These tyre tubes are range 728 to 32, so just a slight bit too big for what I need. So these tubes can stay in these tyres. Okay, let's see these bad boys. Now hopefully these fit. So these are folding tyres, so good luck to me with this. It is a little bit harder, but great experience for you to see how to. Okay, so folding tyres can be a little bit more fiddly because they have no structure, as you can see. What I tend to do is pump the tyre up slight, and then let the tyre form tube form, inside the tyre. It does have a direction of travel. So where it says, I don't know if you'll see it, there is, just here, you might not see it, it says rotation, and it has an arrow. So the arrow points that way, so it means that that way needs to be the front of the bike, okay? So I need to mount the tube on correctly. Now, if you ever get the opportunity to check your gears whilst you've just put on a new tyre, taking your wheel off and put it on, then do. Just because obviously you don't want to change your tyre, put your wheel in one key and then have really poor gear shift. Fantastic. Right, mark for that. I'm going to go ahead and change the front one. watching. See you next time.